Hello, welcome to my mini module presentation, which is accounting for construction contracts guided by International Accounting Standard 11. At the end of this mini module, my learners should be able to define contract costing, explain the main characteristics of contracts, explain the key terms in contracts accounting, ascertain the type of contracts, prepare the contract account. This mini module is one of the topics of intermediate accounting, which is done by the students offering business courses at institutions of higher learning. Construction contracts is a method of accounting that is used by building contractors, civil engineers, contractors, where the contract is of construction of highways, hospitals, construction of dams, factories, bridges, among others. The work is done away from the contractor's premises. The following are characteristics of construction contracts. Contracts take a long period of time to finish. They usually take more than one financial year or accounting year, and therefore the money paid has to be apportioned. The value of the contract is generally large, and the costs of long contracts are always high. Resources that are used on contracts are significantly large. Most of the costs incurred under contracts are direct costs. For example, direct materials, direct labor, direct expenses, and the equipment, and small fractions of indirect materials. There is retention money held by the client to cater for anticipated construction defects. Special plants and equipment is often purchased for specific contract. Payment of the contractor is based on the architect's certificates. Key terms used in construction contracts. Contract price. This is the total contract price reached by the contractor and the contractee. Architect certificate. Periodically, an architect appointed by the client will go to the site to inspect work done and thereafter issues the certificate of the work that has been completed. Progress payments. These are payments that are made by the client to the contractor for the work that has been done and completed. Retention money is money that is kept by the contractee to handle the defects on the contract. Work done and certified. This is work that has been done and completed, and it has been given a certificate. Contractor is the person doing the contract. Contractee is the person to whom work is done. Work in progress is work that is ongoing and has not been completed. There are two types of contracts: fixed contracts and cost plus contracts. The contract account is whereby all the expenses are debited to the contract and all the revenues that have been received are credited on the contract account. The balancing figure is called apparent profit, which is shared for the profit to be taken to the profit and loss account. Thereafter, the contract account is closed and the contractee account is closed, and it is debited with cash received from the contractee, and it is credited with the work certified by the architects or the engineers.